Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. I'm so happy to have you here on the channel. We're starting a new series here and it's going to be titled Andy's Art Tips and Tricks. Every week I'll have a quick art tip to share with you that I've learned in my art journey. With that being said, please don't hesitate to comment down below what you want me to talk about here. Write your comment, tell me what you want, and I'll try to answer it in a future video. Together, we will build an awesome channel about art and creativity. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Patience. It's something that as artists, I know many of us struggle with, especially when starting out as amateur and beginner artists. It can be very difficult to be patient. Maybe you look at other people's art and think, man, I wish my art were as good as that. And I'll admit, I do the same thing. But the truth is, it takes months and years to truly develop one's skills to a good, high, masterful level. And it's not easy, but there are some of you that are just that good. But for the most of us, we struggle and we try to endure, but at the same time, we get impatient at times. So here's my tip of the week. Be patient. Appreciate how far you have come and the progress you have made. Take a minute, pause, and look at your art that you've done over the years. Reflect on it, glance at it, and say, wow, I've done this and I've progressed in this way so much. I do this from time to time, and when I do, I can really see the progress that I have made. But maybe it's not something you can see physically with your eyes, but instead maybe it's the way you draw that's improved, the abilities you have, and the way of thinking that has matured and been developing over the years. For example, it used to take me maybe 3 to 4 weeks to complete a certain size drawing, but now it takes me only 1 week to complete the same drawing. Now, it took me several years to advance to the level where it only takes me 1 week to do a drawing that fast. And at times, you may get frustrated and impatient and discouraged because your skill levels aren't at the level that you'd like them to be. But you have to be patient. Let the art develop on its own and grow. It doesn't happen overnight. Not for me, not for you, not for anyone. So let's do a quick review. Be patient and look at what you have done and the progress you have made over the years. Dedicate some time every once in a while to reflecting and looking at your art and see where you've improved and the areas you still need to improve on. Skills in art take years and years to truly develop and mature. So take your time, be patient, and don't rush it. Developing into a great artist is something that takes a lifetime to do, and not something that happens overnight. So what do you think of this new video series? Did you like it? Be sure to leave your constructive comment down below and also hit that thumbs up button. If you have any suggestions on art related subjects you want me to go over, let me know below. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and Etsy, where I sell throw pillows and prints of my artwork. That's been it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you guys in the next one.